Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome in my channel Fashion Factory by GULL. If you are new my channel and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon button. Today's video is on Korean dress designing, in which you will find cool floral design for summer and spring season. These are very popular nowadays. They are look great wearing them. In this you will get multicolor dress designing ideas. Let me know in comments if you want to purchase it. I will give you the link of the store. If you like my video, please like and share my video. You must tell me in the comments what kind of video you want to see. You will watch the video till the end and will take care of you. Goodbye until the new video.